Hello, you Mayhem Makers. I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and welcome back to another Mindy's Monday Live. Once again, I have Miss Debbie with me.
Yay! Hello!
I love my super sidekick. Today we were talking about like floor model and used machines. So we were starting to work up kind of a blog post that'll be coming on like when do you trade in your machine? When do you maybe get a new one? And of course, I love the answer like, because you want one, that's when you go get one, which is always a good answer. Like, if you're just ready to upgrade or switch, we'll gladly bring you in and go over machines with you. But sometimes, you know, machines come in for repair. Sometimes they're older.
Yeah.
They've had a long life, and sometimes it's just time. And if you're trying to be like budget conscious, those kinds of things, or wanting just to upgrade to something bigger, and you don't have, you know, a whole lot of money or just unlimited funds, like a lot of us, to get into a new machine, a floor model or a used machine is a good way to go, especially like floor models or ones that we've used for demos generally have very low stitch counts, right?
Yeah.
I mean, and they have been serviced, they're ready to go, they're certified by us. And so we have a huge variety right now. So if you're in that situation that maybe it's time, I was just talking to somebody earlier today that, yep, their 40-year-old machine just, it isn't doing it anymore. Come see us. But we're doing our live stay in the foyer because we wanted to show you some of these lovely machines. So Debbie, where do we even start with our variety?
I did want to mention that when we do have somebody trade in a machine, that we have our tech go through it and it's good to go, just as like if it was brand new. So there's certainly worth in that. So we have sewing machines, we have sewing embroidery machines, we have sergers, we have a lot of trade-ins.
Oh my gosh. So
customers who bought the new 990 traded in their big machine.
Oh my gosh. This is one of the better deals. If you're looking for a large throat machine that does everything, embroidery, you name it, you can quilt with it, all the good stuff, and have a lot of throat space. The 880s that we got traded in for those 990s, like these are a great deal because you are getting a huge machine, a whole bunch of bells and whistles for a super low price.
And they're the 880 plus, and the embroidery modules come with it with all the embroidery hoops too.
Yes, all kinds of goodies. And as you can see, like this one, it's just, we need to get its thread stand on it, but you can have all kinds of good spools set up. Like we said, they've got the touchscreen displays, all of that kind of stuff. And these machines in particular are coming with a 3-year service plan. So they are absolutely guaranteed that they are going to work for you in the long haul. They're going to make it. So we've got them all definitely certified. And like Debbie said, even the used ones, our tech goes through them and they make sure that they're good working machines. Anything that is not, we get rid of, or maybe it's not worth reselling, we may donate some of those machines to schools and those kinds of things.
And you also get a gift certificate with the purchase of the machine too, to use at Quilting Mayhem to buy more fun stuff.
Yes, so they come with a gift card so you can buy fabric and threads, all those kinds of things. And a lot of machines, not just these ones, come with that extra bonus of a gift card. That special is only going until the end of the month. So you have to the 31st to come check out a variety of machines. And actually, we'll just make each, because he's got a fun new toy, follow us. So we'll come over here, we'll show some of these machines. So you can even do what I call kind of your midline machines, so the 570. We even have the 790 Pro that was traded in for a 990. Because it was somebody like me who got to play with this one and then decided to upgrade, which I love. And so this is a great machine. It has only been out a year and a half. And so this has definitely got all the newer technology. It's got the laser, all the good bells and whistles, with low stitch count and ready to go. So this is a screaming deal. Plus the cave machines that are super pretty.
We have a used, previously owned 770 cave, and then we have our floor model 570 cave, and then we have a brand new 475 still in the box.
Yes,
so
which is a great machine.
Yeah.
And the used cave actually comes signed. So we did have cave signer machines, and so that is one that is also a signed machine. Poor Kate's going to try and keep up with this. We do also have sergers. So maybe you're a garment sewist or you do bags and those kinds of things and you want a serger. We actually have a variety. There's several behind us. along with burnettes and another B475 that isn't the cape, isn't the teal color. Maybe teal's not your thing. That's okay. We've heard that too.
And on this 850 serger, that's an air thread serger. So
Oh yeah,
that's a great deal.
Yes, that is a killer deal, and that air thread, oh my gosh, that will change your serger game, because then you're not struggling to get it threaded. So as you can see, we have a huge variety of floor model used machines. We have even more upstairs, especially floor models that are available along with long arms. So don't forget, we also have the Handy Quilter Special with bounce back coupons and the gift cards, plus we have some Bernina long arms that are floor models that we also need to sell. So if you're looking to get into the long arm game, we've got some of those machines ready to go for you also. So remember the perks. You're going to get that lower price. It's still cleaned, ready to go, certified that it's going to work. If it has any problems, as you know, you come see us. We will take care of you. You still get us. You still get classes. We'll teach you how to use those machines. You still get all those perks of buying a new machine at that lower price point. So if you're kind of at that point that maybe it's time to step up, or you just want some more features in your machine so that you can get your sewing to that next level, now is the time to come see us.
Yeah, because if you're fighting your sewing machine, it's time for a new one. If you're cursing at your machine, it's time for a new one.
Whether it's serger, domestic, all of them. Yeah, I don't know how many times people are like, oh, I've been struggling and it just, or they keep bringing it in for repair. And sometimes it's just, you gotta say goodbye, and I understand some machines have that sentimental, it's been handed down to you.
Oh yeah.
But they do have a lifespan. They do eventually just wear out, and you can still keep it, hold on to it for that sentimental value, and then just step up into something that gives you less grief, because this is 2025. We are going to be happy in our projects, be happy in our sewing, and we're trying to take some of those pains away, some of those barriers, and helping you out in finding a new machine that'll do better for you for the new year. So, from Debbie and myself, if you have questions, make sure you come see us or check out our website at quiltingmayhem.com to see more machines that we have available. We hope you have a lovely day and keep on stitching.